Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Arjavit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to download and play in Fortnite on your PC computer. Okay, if you are also interested how to download Fortnite on your phone, Android iOS, you have also link in the tutorials, also link in the description tutorial how to do it. Okay. And now, start. And you may also leave like, subscribe, share to others. Okay, so to download Fortnite, you need the right official page creators, Fortnite, Epic Games Launcher. You have also link in the description to this program. Okay, and now click download. Okay, download, yes, open. Okay, it is installer. I have it now on computer, so I don't need to do it again. I just launch Epic Games. You must here create account. Okay, I will log in. I think I am automatically login. It is very sad that computer makes slow. This program makes slow your computer. Makes slow PC and makes slow internet. On Steam there is no situations. Okay, it's launching. You must wait yet. Okay, and now you must enter in the shop. You must write Fortnite. Okay, once again Fortnite, and it is for free, as you can see. Game also $5. Okay, and here you here you have download. And now next step, you must click on the library if you have Fortnite. I have also option for you how to have more FPS. Okay, I will show you. Uninstall. Okay, install. Now options, and here you have option like textures in high quality. And if you don't have a good computer, I will recommend you remarket this, and it will increase you so much FPS in Fortnite. I will recommend you it, and install. It is option install Fortnite on your computer. So I have hope that I help you. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and see you next time. Bye bye.